It's like a bus.
Territories of the Musqueam, Squamish, and the Tsleil-Waututh Coast Salish peoples, and we appreciate the opportunity to live, work, and share experiences on their traditional territories. And the Grouse Mountain is committed to providing a safe environment for outdoor recreation. Just be aware of the exclusion of liability which you receive with your ticket disability. While you're up top, you can visit our that'll take you straight to Jack Show, 3 o'clock show. If you want to watch 2 lumberjacks do get out to see which one's the cruise ship terminal. Just want to pass over the first of our 2
I know it's just
Tony, look! Willie's alive!
Oh, great. Push him back in.
Willie, are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Do I look okay to you? I just fell down a well. That dynamite go up by my head? This was my only shirt. Yeah, looks like you wet your pants too.
Johnny, please.
Of course I did.
No, we are going to settle this on the log.
Yeah. Oh, get him on the log right through.
Rocky Waters this afternoon there. Ooh, big jumps and big rocks. Oh, Willie's down.
Guys, another chairlift. A 20 minutes chairlift. Andito na naman ako. Gusto kong totally na makonquer ko ang fear of heights ko. Ito guys, riding again the chairlift. I am more confident now kasi meron na akong experience doon sa Whistler. Dito naman sa Grouse Mountain sa Vancouver. The peak of Vancouver. Oh my god, ito na naman. Shit. Ah! I'm scared. Uy. Umuuyog-uyog. Uyog-uyog. Kaya nga ng mga bata, oh, hindi sila natatakot. Ako pa na ang tanda-tanda na. Oh my god. Pero tignan nyo naman kasi sa ilalim. Yan o. Oh my god, nandito pa rin yung takot ko. Sabi ko kaya ko na pero ninervyos pa rin ako. Oh my god, nilalamig pa rin yung kamay ko. Oh shit. Ayan o, ang taas o. Oh, doon ako galing. Ayan. Hey there, I'm scared.
It's okay. You'll enjoy it. It's worth it.
Okay. Hi there.
Hi.
How the experience?
Here's the video.
Yeah. I'm scared. I'm scared.
That's alright.
Say hi to my video on my YouTube.
Oh yes. What's your YouTube?
Arcadio Laquachero.
Follow it.
Yeah. Yun guys, oh, ang lalim. Ang lalim, oh. Ang lalim. Ito, oh. Ang taas. Oh my God. Ayoko na. Ayoko muna mag-video. Iba ko muna. Ang taas na. Oh my God. Ang taas na naman to, Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Ayokong tumingin. Sobrang taas. Inhale. Exhale. Hi, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh my God, ang ginaw dito. It's so cold here on top of Grouse Mountain. And that's Vancouver. That's Vancouver City there. My voice. Nanginginig ako sa lamig. Guys, wala kasi akong jacket. Mantakin mo, yan ang sinakay ko ng chairlift. Sa taas na yan. Sino ba naman hindi ninervyusin? Tapos pagdating dito, ang ginaw-ginaw pa. Oh my God.
Ethan, Lenny.
Hi! Oh my God, why? Hi guys, I'm scared. What's happening?
I don't know, we're stopped here for a minute.
Oh my God.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I'm sorry. I'm scared.
It'll only be like this for like an hour. No.
I'm controlling my God, na-stuck up kami dito. Oh. Ang tagal, hindi gumagalaw. Oh my God, dito pa naman ako sa taas. Oh. Oh, steady lang. Oh my God. Mamatay ako sa nervyos dito. Kala ko na conquer ko na yung fear of heights ko. Hindi ganito ba nangyari? Oh my God. Ay, nag-music na lang ako. Ayaw kong tumingin sa baba. Sa taas na lang ako. Nag-music na lang ako. Buti na lang may dala akong Walkman. May dala akong music ko, extra phone. Hey guys, how are you? Hi ladies, are you okay? My God, I'm so scared. Oh. Baba na ako. 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 Hi, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. I'm getting off. Thank you Lord.